Hello everyone. Today we have lot 12 on Oak Valley Drive. This is in Cottonwood, California, a little bit south of Redding, California. Cottonwood is right along I-5, just like Redding. And this here is the gravel road going to the property. I wanted to get a feel for it. It is maintained. There is a yearly road maintenance, $150 a year, no big deal. There are also some light CCRS. And as you can see, there's power here. It doesn't go all the way directly to the property. I think it's around 500 feet from the property. And no, I'm not doing 100 miles an hour, but I just sped up the film here. Just so you can get a feel for it. There's a lot of animals, almost like ranch setups here, and I kind of wanted to show that as I drive out here. So you see some animals and stuff, and horses, things like that. And that's a good use of the property. If you want a residence with some animals, perfect. It's great for that. Let's see. Also, the owner may carry with 20% down on this property. It's a good thing. Almost there. Oh, also the zoning. It's called AG2, which it's an agriculturally zoned property, and primary residence is okay. You still see the power here. Animals on the right. I think this is the last power pole right here. And it takes a left, and the property's right up here on the right. Okay, so this is the property starting mostly on the right, about where this ribbon is. Right where the pink ribbon is. But you can see my real estate sign. I'm gonna park here and walk so you can kind of check it out. Let's go check it out. Property's on the right hand side, if I didn't say that in the video here. And this property is about 20 minutes or about 11 miles from I-5. There's at least two pretty good build sites, potential build sites on this property, and it does have views of Mount Shasta and Mount Lassen. Had to come back another day to see it because it's cloudy here, so you can't really see it in this video. Just the clouds on the horizon there block it. I had to run really fast. No, I just sped it up. It is low elevation, so you shouldn't get any snow in the winter. You're still in the valley, really. And you will need a septic and a well if you're going to build a house on it. This is a real nice area down in here. Could clear out some of those trees down there. And there's there's an open area just after it too. It's quiet out here. It's mostly rolling topography. I believe those are blue oak trees. They will have all their leaves in the springtime. Look gorgeous in there. Right now their leaves are gone. We just shed them every year. The green brush is manzanita on the left. It's kind of a beautiful red branches on it. They're starting to flower too. It's pretty neat. So 15 acres, $48,000 with the owner carry 20% down. It's usually a minimum I see, usually nothing less than 20% down. This is a gorgeous area right here. It's gently downsloping. That's the top of the property up there where it ends. There's a road up there too. So you could maybe access that part of the property up there. There's another potential build site over that way, which I go explore later. A little draw at the bottom of the hill with a seasonal creek in there. Just whenever it's raining hard, it'll flow. There's a little water in it right now. And there, I don't know if you saw, but there's a lot of animal trails around here too, so get some wildlife. It's really a beautiful piece. Little creek flowing down there too, seasonal, little drainage. I'm kind of cutting through the property. The road is kind of straight up the hill there. See, it's flowering. That's the manzanita. Beautiful red color. Nice views up here. These are where you can see Mount Shasta if it wasn't cloudy. And Mount Lassen would be to the right of, or east, and Mount Shasta's north. here's the top of the road. Property ends where the approximately, hopefully you can see it. Good potential build site down here. Clear out these trees. You'd be up high, having a great view. All right, so now we're back, walking back to where the car is, and property's on the left. It's a tiny bit, I believe, that goes on this side of the road. There's a fence line down there. Gonna be close to the property line where that fence is. Just a little bit down there, not really enough to use. Sure is gorgeous up here though. The clouds were gone, you could see everything, including Mount Shasta over there. I'll show you a picture camera video, or picture camera of it. Property's on the left. It's a couple of really good build sites, as you saw. Now, there's no power right exactly here on the road frontage. We passed it on the way in, so you'd have to run it just a little bit. All these oak trees will have beautiful leaves in another month or so, and it'll look like paradise in here. Nice rolling topography. All right, almost back to the car, so wrap this one up. Let me know if you guys got any questions. I'll see you on the next one.